Quiz 27. All right, name the CS2SCO4 compound. All right, you needed to memorize that CS is cesium and SCO4 is selenate. So the name of this compound is cesium selenate. So we have CS2SEO4. Now cesium is a +1 ion. Now a +1 times 2 is a +2. +2 plus some other number equals 0, and that number is a -2. And I have one of these selenates, one of these units. So some number times 1 gives us a -2, and so selenate is -2 charge. All right, let's go on to the next one. K3PO4. K is potassium, PO4 is phosphate, so we have potassium phosphate. Can you see the math equation? Potassium is a +1. And how many potassiums do we have? We have 3 of them, so I have to write it down 3 times. We have to get 0. So what number can be added to this to get 0, and that's -3. So guess what this phosphate has a charge of? You guessed it, -3. Name the Li2HPO4. Well, PO4 is phosphate, so one hydrogen in front of it should be called hydrogen phosphate. And then we have lithium in front of that. So the name of this compound is called lithium hydrogen phosphate. Lithium hydrogen phosphate. Lithium is a +1, and I have 2 of them. +1, and then hydrogen phosphate must be a what? That's right, a -2 for me to get to 0. Hydrogen phosphate, a -2. Name the Na3ASO4 compound. Na is sodium, ASO4 is arsenate, so this compound must be called sodium arsenate. Name the Ag2CO3 compound. Ag is silver, CO3 is carbonate. This compound is called silver carbonate. Now we get all those from memorizing our periodic table of ions and our polyatomic ion table. So naming these compounds depends on your memorization, so make sure you're working on that. All right, write the chemical formula for rubidium carbonate. Rubidium is Rb, and it's a +1 charge. Carbonate, CO3, has a -2 charge. Memorization. Crisscross game. The chemical formula for rubidium carbonate is Rb2CO3. Rb2CO3. Write the chemical formula for rubidium borate. Rubidium, again, is +1. Now, borate is BO3. And borate is a -3 charge. Borate, -3. So the chemical formula must be, we have Rb3 and then BO3, and we have one of those. So remember, I brought the 3 down and I brought the 1 over, but now we're not going to include the parentheses, so because there's only one of these units, one of these borate units. So Rb3, BO3, rubidium borate. Write the chemical formula for potassium oxalate. Potassium is +1. Oxalate, C2O4. Polyatomic ion with a charge of -2. Chemical formula for potassium oxalate must be K2C2O4. There's only one of those units. We brought that 1 down. K2C2O4. Write the chemical formula for lithium phosphate. Lithium is a +1 charge. Phosphate, PO4, -3 charge. Play the crisscross game, we get Li3PO4. And I can put those in parentheses just to show you, because we have brought the 3 down by the lithium and we bring the 1 over from the phosphate. And we only have one of these phosphates now, so the chemical formula is Li3PO4. Li3PO4. Write the chemical formula for silver chromate. Silver chromate. Silver is Ag. It's a +1 charge. Chromate is CrO4, and it is a -2 charge. So we bring those over. The chemical formula must be Ag2CrO4. Ag2CrO4. All right, now I know memorization isn't everybody's favorite game, but it's kind of one of those things so that you can learn how to name these compounds easily. And you're going to hear me repeat that time and time again. You have to practice. You have to know those tables. Enjoy your day.